I purchased the Phantom Osprey. Really good. Something only $100. It's really bang for your buck. First off, we have a Phantom Power Fountain, Luck of the Hours, and let's call Phantom Owl. 3 assorted fountains, Morning Glories, the Phantom large fountain, the Fountain Effect. This one, you guys can read. I'm not gonna read everything. That we have this one, that Jack of Hearts. We have these, Crackling the Webs. I'm gonna actually show you guys this. Here is one, the Crackling the Webs. Good firework. We have Firecrackle, and we have a whole bunch of stuff. We have Crazy Eyeball, those little crackling thingies over there, crackling balls, and some kryptonites. The Rocket Man, the Little Red Devil. We have Piccolo Pete and Phantom Whistlers. We have Cuckoo Fountain, Batman, Moon Dance. Let me get over there. This year, I picked up one of the new 500 grams stacked up TNT Phantom Cuckoos. We have a TNT Cuckoo. We have Orjet, TNT Orjet. We have what is this? A Tiger Fairy. We have Panda, and we have TNT Independence Day. We have Luck of the Iris. We have Pear Fruit. We have TNT Mad Dog that was buy one get one free this year. Also, that was for the Red Devil. We have a Phantom STELMOS Fire Fountain. We have Cowboy Candles. I have a Laugh Out Loud Fountain. I have an Virgo, Little Mrs. New. We have this shitty gold silver flower. We have these awesome Phantom Peach flowers. They have a way loud whistle to it. We have 2 killer bees and 2 crackling cactus. So this is all we have for 2012. I just go around it one more time with you guys. Yeah, so this is pretty much what I have this year. Spent $385. Yeah, it's a really good selection. It's gonna last us a couple hours. Gonna be doing the show July 3rd, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.